What's up guys, it's Susie Bullock from HeyGrillHey.com, and if you're here, that means we already have something in common. We both love good barbecue, which is perfect because my whole goal is to help you make better barbecue so you can feed the people you love and become a backyard barbecue hero. Today we're doing that with a recipe for a simple grilled marinated London broil. Let's do it. One of my favorite things about this dish is that it's super versatile, it's perfect for any occasion, and it marinates in a flash. This dish takes 2 hours and 25 minutes to make, 10 minutes for prep, 2 hours in the marinade, and 15 minutes to cook. So let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need about 1.5 pounds of top round. This is also labeled a top sirloin round or a top round in the grocery store, so you know what you're getting at the butcher counter. For the marinade, you'll need 3/4 cup of olive oil, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of red pepper flakes, 8 garlic cloves, and 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary. All right, first thing we do is prep our marinade. All you have to do is open a gallon Ziploc bag, set it on the counter, and combine all of the ingredients for the marinade. Olive oil, brown sugar, red wine vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes, minced garlic. We'll get all the garlic in there. And your fresh rosemary. Zip up the bag. And then just massage it a little bit to combine everything. So this main dish is super simple, perfect for the grill. With the red wine vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, and loads of garlic, it really rounds out that marinade to make a steak that's both super tender and flavorful. Make sure you press out all the extra air. Kind of massage the marinade around a meat to make sure it's fully covered. This is just a lot of Susie massaging this bag for this video. All right, stick this in the fridge for at least 2 hours, up to 12 hours. You can start to see the color of the meat has been impacted by the marinade. That means it's doing its job. Now, this is ready to go out and hit the grill. I actually have my grill preheated outside to 450 degrees. We're looking for direct heat, high temperatures, and this is gonna cook very quickly, so have your tongs and your thermometer handy. We're only gonna be out there for about 10 minutes. Let's get our steak on the grill. I'm using a charcoal grill, but you can use gas, any grill that you can get up to about 450 degrees. Shake off any excess marinade, and then get your steak directly on your grill grates. This is gonna grill for about 6 to 7 minutes per side. You don't need to close the lid, just hang out, and you're only gonna flip this once. And we're looking for an internal temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. Oh, that is dark and juicy. So it's nice and caramelized. You're getting that dark crust right here from the sugars browning. And we're gonna slice it really thin when it's done so everybody gets a little bite of that crispy edge. Temperature looks perfect. Get this off the grill. You can see that beautiful caramelization from the grill grates and the sugar in the marinade. We're gonna take this inside, let it rest for about 10 minutes, then we can slice and serve. This looks and smells amazing. We've let it rest for a little bit, now it's time to slice. The unique thing about slicing a top round or a London broil roast is that you can't really go against the grain. That's why the slices for this one need to be so thin. It really helps with the tenderness. The doneness on this is perfect. These thin slices are great just to eat, but they're also even better for leftovers the next day. You can put them in salads, steak and eggs for breakfast. This dish is totally nostalgia for me. My dad used to marinate and grill London broils on our back porch. He would slice them super thin and I would just pick up those pieces of meat and eat them straight off of the serving platter.
What is this?
This is a London broil marinated, grilled over charcoal.
London?
London? Want to try
Jolly
it, Mike?
good day.
I don't actually know if it comes from London. But I love this one because I got this in the marinade earlier today.
Ooh, that's good.
15 minutes out on the grill, ready for dinner. This is the perfect weeknight family dinner. Put the marinade together in the morning, get the kids off to school, go to work all day, come home, a few minutes on the grill, and then you have this for dinner. It's perfect. I want you guys to enjoy this recipe in your own home as much as we do in ours. So if you make this recipe, leave a comment and let us know how it turned out. Even better, snap a photo of your beautiful steak, post it online, use the hashtag #HeyGrillHey. That way, Todd and I can see it, and we'll celebrate your epic barbecue success with you. See ya!